because of the opportunity you have for an interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary learning here.
The experiential learning module, or the ELM, is another critical part of the YIF and one of my own favorites from my time at the fellowship. The ELM, think of it as the bridge between learning and doing. During the fellowship, there is so much that one learns from 18 different courses. In 11 short months, you're out in the real world thinking how to apply all of that knowledge. The ELM really helps you kind of connect the dots and make that transition. So fellows start the ELM in the second half of their YF journey. It lasts for about 6 months, where students work in teams of 4 for a particular client organization in their area of interest. This could be in the corporate sphere, this could be in the social impact space, this could be an entrepreneurship journey, it could be in arts, media, creativity, whatever it is that students are interested in, they find other like minded fellows and find an organization and a project that really speaks to them. There is also the option to create a self designed project if none of the sort of available options really meet the interests of a particular team. Through our 15-year history, 2,000 plus fellows have worked on over 600 projects, and we've had some incredible startups emerge from this experience as well. Sharing my own personal anecdote, I think the ELM really, really saved me because I had it in my head that I really wanted to be an economist. So I, sought out some wonderful economists and did a research internship with them. And I learned so much, but I also learned that that's not the right path for me. And I think the that experience really helped me say no to the master's offers that I already have and transition to something that I'm doing to this day, which is sort of consulting, in which gels more with my need to see results a little bit faster or just have new experiences. And so the ELM is just a wonderful opportunity to test out something that you feel like you want to pivot to, or something somewhere you want to go deeper and just try and understand if it's the right path for you.